This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Right, we are home, literally home right now. Yeah, I prepared the stuff to shoot in the car, and then I came inside and was like, oh, forgot about it. Okay, whatever, we just shoot it at home. Yeah, here's Axel. He's now 5 months old. Yeah, he likes being in this position. Yeah, he wants to look at stuff. Huh? What did he tell you? Huh? Chup, Axel. Oh, you like that? Huh? อร่อยไหม chup, chup. Okay. All right, anyway, yeah, so if you're wondering why I'm so busy nowadays, well, okay, but now let's take a look at the results, shall we? So the Performance Highland was slightly slower with winter tires versus the summer run. And yeah, what else is it? The power was also slightly lower. See, 571 horsepower versus 549. But these two cars, they have the LG battery, whereas the previous generation Performance had the Panasonic battery. But you see, on spec, it's supposed to be faster. It was at least in summer, but a little bit disappointing because actually the Fremont car has Panasonic battery, and that one is faster. So unfortunately we don't get this. This is from Giga Shanghai, and then LG battery has slightly lower power output. When it comes to noise though, you see that the Highland with winter tire is really quiet, 65.5 decibel. Compare that to the summer result, and we have it up here, also pretty good here. That was about a decibel noisier, but with harder summer tires. So yeah, when you go back again and look at the winter result, you see that it is fairly high up on the list. Yeah, compared to many of the other cars. Oh no, Axel, don't press the buttons there. Gee. So overall though, I'd say that the Performance Highland is, well, at least good performing. And then maybe not as fast as I would wish, but at least it's comfortable and quiet, and maybe that's what people are looking for, right? Yeah, not so much of the harsh and unrefined performance car like it was before. So anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.